Hey guys, super exciting news. So I am actually out and about today because I am looking for a new bedding comforter set for my bed, and also I'm going to be decorating the art that sits above my bed. So I want to just bring you guys along for the journey. Right now I am at Target and I'm about to get it popping. I'm looking for the theme that I'm going for is white, boho, clean, pretty, peaceful, tranquil. So I'm definitely wanting a white bedspread, and I just want to just build on what my room already has, which is that theme, but I want my bedding to just be white this time, and then my accent colors will be the greens and things like that. So definitely stay tuned and stick around to see like what I come up with. The Holy Grail. Okay, so I'm here, and I'm just kind of surprised at Target. I'm seeing a few different white, just pure white sets, but the few that I'm seeing are costing like a gazillion dollars, and they're not even all that nice. Like, they're not even all that great. So Target has let me down, y'all. I'm sorry to say. I'm sorry to say. Alright, y'all, so Target was a bust. I didn't see anything that I wanted, and the prices just were a little ridiculous for me, for what I'm looking for at least. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx or Kohl's or somewhere else, but for now I am actually getting pillow stuffing. So for the shams that I told you guys that I brought online on Amazon, I just need to go ahead and get filling for them, or pillow stuffing. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then we're gonna bounce. Listen, these are literally just for my decorative pillows. So I'm looking for the cheapest one, but I think this is for doll making, okay? Are these for pillows? Pillows, dolls, stuffed toys, and crafts. So this is 12 ounces. I have 2 pillows that I'm looking to fill. Let me see if I can find. Look at all of the stuffing. All right, so I got my stuffing, and honestly, y'all, I don't know if this is gonna fill more than one pillow, but I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna go with it. So right now I'm gonna head to Kohl's because I forgot that they also have nice bedroom attire. So I'm gonna go check out them and see what they have, and then if I don't find anything, then I'll go to TJ Maxx, and then let's just pray we find something because I'm tired. I'm hungry. Okay guys, so I have a slight dilemma. I thought I found it, and then the one I wanted, and then this one came about. Not a bad price at all. Comes with a comforter, 2 pillow shams. I like the pattern a lot, like the simplicity. It's really thick and comfortable, which is not too thick, but just enough. I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys. All right, so I made it home, got everything I needed, and fed myself, y'all, because I was so hungry. I was out for about 3.5 hours going store to store trying to find the perfect bed set, and I found the perfect one, just like you guys saw in the last clip. So right now you guys see me taking apart my green bedroom set. I love this set. It literally just made me feel so good and at peace, and I love the color scheme. I'm definitely into like the neutrals, new earthy tones. So going in white is definitely exciting and different. Alright guys, so I have the sheet on my bed. It looks very wrinkly, y'all, but whatever. I had already had a white sheet set, so I did not find a need to buy one, and then this set that I brought didn't come with one. So let's get in with the comforter. So right now I am adding my 2 shams. So remember, I had to buy stuffing for that. You'll see that I didn't have enough of stuffing, so I grabbed my holiday pillow right here and went ahead and stuffed that into the sham. And then I took the cotton or this filling that I had brought and put it inside the second one, so it worked out perfectly. So I'm super excited that this is done because now I can move on to the fun part, which is the art on my wall. Alright guys, so now it is the cool part, which is to decorate the top of my bed. This should be an adventure because I have not bought the builder, but it's okay, we're gonna make it work. So my lovely roommate brought me these frames for Christmas. They're all the same size, same style, everything. I had been wanting this for a while to put above my bed. I just hadn't had a chance to buy it yet. And I'm gonna put this art that I brought a few years ago at Target, funny enough, inside each of the frames. And it fits perfectly, and I'm just gonna do it just like this in this style. And I think this will go really nice with like the green, tan, and white theme that I have going on in my room. Also, if you might notice, maybe not, I switched the throw blanket on my bed from the green one over there to this tan one. I felt like the greens were completely different and they were kind of clashing. They weren't really meshing. So I just went with this tan one. It's safe, it's soft, it's fun, and it looks really good at the bottom. So I'm actually really happy with my bed right now. They look so good, guys, and I'm literally just imagining them on my wall right now. And my tripod is so angled, I can barely. But like, I just know it's gonna look good. I just know it. Like, look at how good they look, and they're not even on the wall yet. I'm so excited, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and figure out exactly how I can get these up there. So I'm gonna figure this out, you know, nails, hammer, those type of things. I'm obsessed, guys. So I have my desk, this rug that needs to be washed thanks to the dogs. I have my little bookshelf up there, have my beautiful little art pieces. I have my new bed, I have my desk. Everything, my room is just giving me the vibes that I really wanted, and I'm obsessed. So obviously there's still work to be done on this wall. I'm thinking about doing a bookshelf right here and another bookshelf right here. And then I'm probably gonna do something to this wall. But other than that, I'm pretty content with my room, and I think it's very just clean and put together. The dogs even have their own areas. This is for Delaney, and this is for Sasha. And Sasha's patiently waiting for me to let her back on the bed, y'all. But I'm loving my room. Just so tranquil and peaceful. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey of just getting my room together. I'm honestly so excited to just be in this space. Like, look at it, y'all. It's just so tranquil. Oh my God. This is exactly what I wanted. I got my personal, I got my family and friends right there, and over here just have art, and it's just clean. I have my books, my journals, all that. I have my cute little swing, and I'm just living for this. This is all vibes, guys. So thank you, and see you on the next video.